The stars are shining in Mumbai. The Wankhede Stadium is all set for a very special occasion. It's all about road safety. The Road Safety 11 against the No Honking 11 at the Tata Horn Not OK Please Cup. Yes, indeed, the Wankhede Stadium has seen so much of cricket, so many different varieties of cricket. But this one is going to be a very special occasion for a very special cause.
Off you go. Tails is the call. There we go. I think you've won the toss. What are you going to do?
We're going to bowl first.
Have a bowl first. You are looking very fit. What's your secret?
I've been working really hard over the years, and it's always good to be back in the team and looking always when you work really hard and everything looks beautiful around you. I'm enjoying the moment right now.
Happy to have a bat first?
Definitely. I mean, it looks like a good weekend. Hopefully, we can put some runs on the board.
All the best.
Thank you.
The two openers walking out, Ravindra Gaikwad and the dynamic Rishabh Pant. Let's have a look at his 20-over career. Over 1,000 runs, strike rate of 161. That's why I said dynamic. He packs a punch when he hits the ball long and hard. Ravindra Gaikwad, right-handed batsman. As usual, the ball in his hand. Vinay Kumar, the Karnataka captain. A hint of swing for Vinay Kumar. Oh, goes for the big one, the first boundary from Rishabh Pant's bat. Oh, goes for the big one. One bounce into the ropes. In the last 12 months or so, has preferred to bowl off spin. Yes, it's off spin. In the air, and first wicket. Caught by Suresh Raina. That's the end of Ravindra Gaikwad.
Gaikwad departs for a golden duck. He'll be disappointed. And they are 8 for 1.
And in walks KL Rahul. It's 8 for 1 at the moment. Fully endorse those views. Oh, Manoj Tiwari goes, does a Malinga at Wankhede Stadium. Goes for 4, but in the air and goes over Abhishek Nair. We'll have to give it a chase. And he gives it up. Oh, that's a terrific shot by Rishabh Pant. A left-hander gets into the act. First 6 for Rishabh Pant and first 6 of the match too. Oh, in the air this time. A fielder getting under it. Oh, that's a good catch. Good catch by Manoj Tiwari, the senior pro.
Pant, after hitting a big one in that over, departs for 20 for 12.
There you go, Mel. You asked for it, you get it. Shubman Gill. Oh, in the air, plays it beautifully. Just rolls to the boundary.
Oh, that's sublime timing. That's pure timing from Shubman Gill. Oh, backs away, making room, and that's a big one. Oh, pulls that away. Will be another boundary here. Runs are coming. Oh, that's played well. That's really played well. It's going to be a 4 to win the over.
The 46-year-old goes for the googly, and it's gone in the crowd. Well, this time goes over covers. It was a leg break. And this one, Praveen Tambe bowls it short, and beep beep, it's in the crowd.
And that's 50 for KL Rahul. Gets it in style.
This time goes over the top. Third 6 in this over. Magnificent shots. Oh, bowled him. Comes back strongly, Praveen Tambe.
56 of 31 balls.
In walks Yuvraj Singh.
A lot of people having their strike rate over a small period of time. To carry it for 200 games is never easy. And that's why he's such an amazing talent. And what a shot. Pure timing. Joy to watch.
Edges that one and goes to the third man boundary.
Following the game, as we can see, that's a massive one. That's going to go all the way for 6. Wonderful shot from Shubman Gill.
And it's great if, they really help us bring the awareness up to a huge new level.
Once again in the air, and that's taken. He was looking good, Shubman Gill, but this time fighting the fielder.
Shubman Gill goes for 23 from 16.
Two very experienced campaigners out there in the middle edge. Dinesh Karthik joins Yuvraj Singh. Oh, does well here, Yuvraj Singh. One bounce over the skirting. I love when Yuvraj Singh is on song and plays like this. Once again, piercing that gap very easily and very effectively. Once again, straight on the ground. And that's a DK for you. Maximum. Oh, that's in the air. There's a man in the deep, but he'll be a mere spectator. It's a maximum to end the over. 143 for 4. Oh, what a shot. That's terrific. Into the stands there. And that's a Dinesh Karthik for you. Oh, once again, playing it fine. It's quick outfield. Runs are coming thick and fast. Oh, that's pulled away. Right there on the skirting, and that's the signal. Maximum to end the over.
Oh, top edge, top edge. Raina coming under it. He's got it. Safe hands, safe as houses, Suresh Raina.
Yuvraj Singh departs. 30.
Oh, first ball and a boundary for the left-hander. First ball boundary against his own brother, Krunal Pandya. Both of them. Oh, big one. Attempts a big one. Second ball goes for a 6. So 10 runs in 2 balls against his own brother. Round the stumps to Dinesh Karthik. Full toss, outside off stump. A man coming under it. He's got it.
Dinesh Karthik gone for 29, 175 for 6.
Harbhajan Singh at the crease.
Well, that's 3 full tosses in a row, and this time he doesn't get away with it. Vinay Kumar.
Oh, terrific shot. Good strike from Harbhajan Singh. Was right in his slot. Goes to the top now. Top edges it. Hardik Pandya comes under it and catches it nicely.
Singh goes for 4, 185 for 7.
Oh, in the air. Third man coming under it. And Shikhar Dhawan. Yes, he does.
The core gone for 2. It's 192 for 8.
Shivam Mavi has come out to bat. Oh, plays a blind shot. And fine leg coming under it. He catches it nicely. Hardik Pandya.
An entertaining 21 from Krunal Pandya, 196 for 5.
Outside edge goes past the keeper, will get a boundary. Outside edge, more often than not, they run to the boundary, isn't it? All tried the best. Bumrah and Shivam Mavi in the end. But Hardik Pandya, Yuzvendra Chahal, they put in their best.
And Shikhar Dhawan, very experienced. This is his average as well in his T20 career, 32. Strike rate of 122 for him. And his partner, the pocket dynamo, as they call him, Ishan Kishan, going to be Bumrah with the new ball. Oh, that's a cracker from the southpaw, Shikhar Dhawan. Oh, that's a lovely timing, sublime timing. That's going to race away. Oh, what a shot there.
That's not the right line or the wrong length.
Oh, once again, banging it short, and that's pulled away. There's been a big over, and that big over continues with a big shot from the blade of Ishan Kishan. Once again, straight as an arrow. Lovely shot, bowling fuller this time. Oh, once again, flicking that one. Wristy shot. Not a bad ploy against both the left-handers. Getting an off spinner. Oh, straight down the ground. What a shot once again from Ishan Kishan.
That's been hit. That's huge. Ishan Kishan has hit that into the MCA pavilion. What a shot. And here comes one. Watch out. Oh.
One shot of a well-deserved 50. Wanted to go for a big one, but mistimes it. Gets a single. Will celebrate his 50. And with him, there he goes again. Stand and deliver. Yuvraj Singh, he misses it. Outside off stump, room given, and he punishes that. Pulls it. There's no fielder there. Another boundary. This time it's on the onside. Oh, another shot. Beep beep. It's in the crowd. Oh, goes over the top. This time reverse. Is it in the crowd? Yes, it is. Oh, that's a class shot from Ishan Kishan. Time it's Shikhar Dhawan going over covers. One bounce into the boundary boards. Oh, smacks it over mid-wicket this time.
And shots like this, they have really enjoyed. Once again, a big one from Shikhar Dhawan. And this kid has been under pressure. Once again, a big shot from Shikhar Dhawan. Getting some bat to it, and that's going to be the half century for Shikhar Dhawan. Well played. Continuing the good form. Getting some bat to it inside edge onto the pad. Like this. Goes for the big one. Man in the deep. Oh, just messing that one. Opportunity. His strike rate going once again down the ground. He wants to finish in quick time here. Oh, once again. That's not big, that's huge. Oh, this time it's his partner. And that is 100. Well played, Ishan Kishan. He has been very impressive. It's been a brilliant knock from Ishan Kishan. The southpaw, the left-hander. 100 of just 42 deliveries. Oh, once again, ending the over with a 4. 172 for no loss. Oh, he wants to finish in style and quickly as well.
Amazing hitting, I mean, Ishan especially. Oh, look at this. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I'm glad that he's there in my team as well. And
down the leg side, that's not a great delivery. Wides up. Will be bonus runs here. Once again, one-handed. What a strike into the stands there. Oh, he finishes in style. What a shot. And winning by 10 wickets. Row safety 11. What a big win. What a comprehensive win for them. And he's delighted into the stands. Taking that one, Ishan Kishan. You are a pocket dynamo. You have really given everybody a smile on the face is the way you are batted. And mentioning about way no Honking 11 batted. Very good half century from Rao. He's a class act, 56 of 31. Not a batsman getting stars there. Shubman Gill 23 of 16. Yuvraj Singh 30 of 24. Karthik did a cameo as well, 29 of 16, and in the end getting 202 for the loss of 9 wickets.
Well, when you put 202 on the board, you're expecting bowlers to get a little bit of a tap, and they all did. However, Vinay picked up 3 wickets for 40. Likewise did Hardik. Best strike rate there, or economy rate I should say, was to Chahal with his leg spin. Only bowled 3 overs though out of his allocated 4.
But when they came on to bat, Rose 50-11, well, you can see the scoreboard. Not a single wicket picked up. Both the openers doing a great job. Dhawan 68 of 39 took his time. Ishan Kishan was on fire, 124 of just 49 deliveries, and managing to cross the score in just 14 overs.
Yeah, and this isn't going to be pretty looking for the no honking 11 for the bowling group. Everyone got hit to every part of the ground. Yuvraj Singh tried to manipulate and change bowlers around, but nothing worked, and they got the runs required, no wickets down.